my name's John Charles with John Charles Salon. We have a salon in Uptown Minneapolis and we have one in YZ as well. What we're going to show today is, if you look around the John Charles brand, you won't see curling irons or flat irons. You will see blow dryers and you'll see what's called first cut Euroshine boar bristle brushes. So the technique is like this. It's all about the size of the brush for the perfect outcome. If I want to have a flat iron look, I'm going to use the biggest brush possible, and that's what you see right here. And I'm going to direct the brush at what's called 90 degrees from the ground. So for a flat iron look, I'm going to go like this, big brush, 90 degrees to the ground. The blow dryer is going to start at the very base of the hair. It's going to work down the hair like this. I'm never going to turn the blow dryer and go up the head of the hair like this. If you look at the blow dryer, I don't believe in these tourmaline ionic $500 blow dryers with touch screen on them and stuff that we just saw a couple days ago. This is a very strong blow dryer with a great motor and great heat. These are $150. They last 10 years and we repair them for 10 bucks. So take the blow dryer, and the most important part of these two tools. I consider this a tool itself, the nozzle of the blow dryer. If you don't have the nozzle of the blow dryer, what happens is you're diffusing the heat and the power and making it about 5 times less powerful. So it's really important, very simple. Once somebody has a great use or a decent use of blow drying skills, hair cutting skills, they can do this technique pretty quickly. I'll be honest with you, it takes about 3 years to get amazing at it as a stylist. It takes about 10,000 hours to get quite good at it. So once again, the technique is 0 degrees, straight down, a little bit of tension, not too much, it's not painful, right, Melissa? No. Yeah, a little bit of tension, taking the nozzle of the hair, going down the shaft of the hair, very important to finish. You got to get down at the end, and you're going to kind of spin the brush a little bit, and you're going to finish down at the bottom and really get that shine all the way. And I'm not going like this. I'm not curling at the end and dropping it down like that. I'm finishing just like a flat iron would, all the way down, straight. See that? The hair comes off the brush like that. So with this technique, these two tools, you'll get a flat iron look. Flat irons, you're probably going to buy one every 2 years because you drop them and break them, right, Melissa? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And so this way, you buy these 10 years, rest of your life, and you get a flat iron look. Another very important thing is the amount of product. When you're going to put product in this hair, you're going to put about this much or less in her entire head. And the reason you want to use a small amount of product, if I use a lot of product, it's going to last a lot less time. So if you've got somebody with a thick head of hair, they're going to be able to go a week sometimes, right, Melissa, with a blow dry? Fine hair is probably going to be 2 or 3 days. So really important, the tools that are used, the brush, the big brush, the blow dryer, product. We don't recommend you shampoo your hair very often. We recommend you can rinse your hair every day. You can run conditioner through your hair every day. But we recommend you wash your hair, use shampoo once a week or twice a week. That's it.